coal is a fossil fuel found at differing depths in the Earth's crust.
I'm in a pretty unique place here in Indiana. We're in the bottom of a coal mine, and I'm standing on coal.
It's the result of prehistoric plants and animals being compressed over millions of years, just like the sandwich earlier.
Behind me, you can see the different layers of rock, and if you look carefully, you can actually see the topsoil, the subsoil, and then below it this large gray area called shale, otherwise known as mudstone. Yep, tastes like mud. The gray shale is pretty interesting. There's actually fault lines, a natural process. But if you look carefully, you can see this black layer going right here. That's a coal layer that actually is valuable, and it's thick enough to be mined. Mining coal is a cool business. All this is actual money falling through my fingers right here. Because when you get to this part of the mining operation, this is where all the black gold is ready. Layers of coal ready to be scooped up, hauled up, processed, and sent on its way to power plants all across the Midwest and Indiana.
It just so happens that this material is a combustible energy source. In fact, burning coal is one of the many ways we make electricity.
The goal of the coal is to have a pile this big. This pile right here would heat homes for a long time in Indiana.
It takes a lot of effort to get this stuff out of the ground, and even more work to get the ground back to the way it was before the mine was here.
It's called a strip mine because they strip the soils and they strip the shale and they save it to reclaim it. Now you see behind me, it looks like a regular Indiana field, and they've worked really hard here to make that a reality.
This is George Bowles, and he is in charge of getting the land back in shape after the coal has been extracted. His team works to put the environment back together after it's been taken apart.
It's quite a shuffle.
Yeah.
All that back.